Which brings me to understanding your numbers. Your initial numbers will consist of your startup costs, but next you will focus on your standard operating expenses and revenues. Do some research on a P&L statement, which stands for profit and loss. Expenses can be fixed or variable. In accounting, fixed costs are expenses that remain constant over a period of time, irrespective of the level of outputs. Variable costs are expenses that change directly in proportion to the level of business activity or volume that you are doing. So, with our example, that means that even if you produce no cookies, if you're renting a kitchen, you're still incurring rent. Fixed expenses include things like rent, interest payments, insurance premiums, salaries, W-2s. Variable expenses include production supplies and materials, hourly labor like 1099s, commissions, etc. So continue with healthy treats. The cost of your mixmaster is a startup cost. The kitchen you are renting is a fixed monthly cost, and your flour, sugar, eggs, oil, packaging, delivery, those are all variable costs.